I think for companies today, the challenge is while there is a lot of need for creating digital 3D assets, the problem is those assets are not optimized enough for them to run on the web. I'll give you one single small instance. I think everybody knows that we work extensively with immersive tech companies, and one of our client partners called me up day before yesterday and spoken to me about an app that he said, I will give you an app link, but that app is not working on iOS. And when I opened that app on the computer, on the Mac computer, I use a Mac computer, and it's got pretty good processor, I guess. Even on that processor, it was hanging. So I said, listen, the assets that you're using right now, or the 3D assets that you're using right now, are very, very high poly. You got to do something to reduce the size of the assets. So, today in today's world, this and even going forward, this will remain to be a very perennial problem. So today we are here to solve the problem for our community first.
The problem with a lot of these generic, modifiers or optimization tools that you have in 3D engines is the lack of understanding of what they're handling, the file they're handling. The way Convrse.ai is built, it understands what are the surface points of a particular mesh that you have in hand, and it assigns individual weights to each point in the mesh structure. So when we assign weights, the model automatically assigns more weights to these surface points. So when you go for optimization, it would go to the extent where it still does not lose structural details, but gets rid of everything else. So up to 50-60% optimization, you would lose hardly any details on the surface layer. Beyond that, it becomes a matter of choice for you guys to decide between the quality in performance or the quality in visualization.
This democratization of sorts, where so far it's only been the technical people who are aware about 3D modeling who are being able to tinker around and create tools and optimize. But I think tools like this gives the option of anybody and everybody, people who don't even understand 3D, who've got these assets, like the gentleman was pointing out, how do you use these assets? I mean, yes, you can use it, but to use it in an application is where do you pull it on? So that's the problem. So I mean, if a tool like this is available, I think it makes life definitely easier for everyone.